Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel RGL Innovations. This video is all about how to install water leakage alarm for a water cooler. This is water supply line for this water cooler. This is the water leakage alarm which I'm going to install. Battery operated with 9 volts DC. This is the sensor. Check the operation of the water leakage alarm. Put little water in the sensor. Alarm has been activated. Switch off the alarm for water cleaning. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share.